could you also walk us through a case where the absence of a valid will caused avoidable hardships?
Indeed. And this is again because how the importance we do not understand during our lifetime. And I'll totally agree with you, Vaishnavi ma'am, when you said one thing, that will is the best gift you can give to your loved ones once you are not there. So, and another case, it was a 54-year-old businessman. And believe me, 54 is generally considered to be like, abhi to we are on the ekdam prime of our business and all those things. But he died in estate. And when I use the term intestate, it means that he died without making a will. His wife, son, and parents. Now there was a dispute over the property claims, and as a result of which people tried different mechanism. The court case finally had to freeze the bank accounts just to make that status quo that okay, these accounts are freeze because this is X person's account. He is no more, and there are number of claims over it. Everybody's claiming that he should or she should get that. So it was frozen. The court case nearly dragged for 3.5 years. And the worst part, the legal fees for all these courses were nearly or more than 10 lakh rupees. So you see, in the previous instance that we discussed, within 30 days, everything settling, every component being distributed in that particular way, and their newer generation is also taking that thing easily. While in the second case that I discussed, an addition burden of court cases with the court fees and all those things, because there were four parties, four different lawyers, their fees, all those things. And the biggest thing was time, where we saw less than 30 days, 45 days, things getting settled. In the other case, it was more over 3 years, 4 years, where only the court case was being taken on. And thus, the only way this could have been prevented was the